In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove things from Squarespace header tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly how to clean up your header, so only the most important items are visible to your visitors. Start by opening your Squarespace website and heading to a page where you can see the header clearly. Enter editing mode by clicking Edit at the top of the page. Once you're in the editor, hover over your header and choose Edit Site Header. This opens the header controls where you'll make all your changes. Inside the header editor, look for the highlighted controls. These are the switches and options that let you hide or remove elements from the header. Use them to turn off anything you don't want to display, like a call to action button, social icons, a cart, or a search icon. If you see multiple highlighted areas, click through each one and disable the items you no longer need. Keep an eye on the branding area too. You can simplify the look by removing secondary text or extras that clutter the space. If your site supports different header layouts, check both the desktop and mobile views using the device preview. Headers can be configured separately for each view, so make sure what you remove on desktop also looks right on mobile. If an item disappears from one but not the other, return to the highlighted control for that device view and adjust it there. Next, if you need to remove menu links from the header, click Edit within the navigation area. This opens your site navigation. Select the item you want to take out and use the highlighted option to remove or hide it. If you're not ready to delete the page itself, move it out of the main navigation so it no longer appears in the header. That way, the content still exists, but it won't clutter your menu. After you've made your changes, click Done to close the header editor. Then confirm and save your work so the updates go live. Refresh a public page to double-check how everything looks. If you removed something by mistake, simply return to Edit, open Edit Site Header again, and re-enable that element using the same highlighted controls. A few quick tips as you refine. Keep your top-level menu short for easier navigation, only show a cart if you're selling products, and use a search icon if you have a lot of content. The goal is a clean, focused header that guides visitors without distractions.